Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to close a web browser tab with a keyboard shortcut keys. I show you guys how to do it. All you have to do is open up Microsoft Edge, and now you just need to press in keyboard Control plus W key at the same time in your keyboard, which will close the existing tab. So this should work for all major browsers. For example, I just gonna open Google Chrome. The same way, you just need to press in keyboard Control plus W to close a tab, and the same way for the Firefox as well. The same way, you just need to press in keyboard Control plus W in your keyboard at the same time, and it should be close the tab. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, you guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.